Imagine this. It's 3 a.m. and you're staring at the ceiling, trapped in a loop of financial anxiety. Your car transmission dies suddenly, and the repair bill feels like a death sentence. Your laptop crashes, threatening your ability to work and earn. An emergency vet bill for $2,000 appears out of nowhere, leaving you paralyzed. The fear of a pink slip and losing your job feels like a constant shadow over your life. But there is a golden key, a specific number that reboots your entire operational confidence: $10,000. To build wealth, you need to stop guessing and start reverse engineering the math of money. The first $10,000 isn't just cash, it's the foundation of your future financial empire. If you want to manage your life like a world-class CEO, hit that subscribe button right now. Living without a buffer is like being trapped in a glass jar, watching opportunity pass you by. You're tired of the grocery store math, choosing generic brands just to save a few pennies. A simple dinner out shouldn't feel like a monster that threatens your entire weekly budget. When you live paycheck to paycheck, every step forward feels like pushing a boulder uphill. But reaching $10,000 literally retools your brain, replacing high cortisol with deep security. Imagine lounging on a foundation of cash, finally having the oxygen you need to breathe. Right now, you're walking a tightrope over a canyon of debt where one mistake is fatal. But with a buffer, you finally have the leverage to stand tall and ask for that promotion. You gain the freedom to invest in yourself, unlocking new skills that scale your income. Your biology shifts. As your bank balance grows, your stress hormones naturally decline. That check engine light used to be a countdown to a financial catastrophe. Now, a car repair is just a minor annoyance, a bug in the system, not a total crash. You finally sleep through the night, knowing your operating system is secure. With a clear mind, your productivity skyrockets, and your ideas start to flow freely. You're no longer irritable. You become more present and patient with the people you love. An emergency fund isn't just a safe, it's the peace of mind that buys you clarity. You stop looking at emergencies and start looking at doors labeled opportunity. Suddenly, starting that side business isn't a pipe dream, it's a calculated strategic move. You have the bandwidth to plan a move to a better location that fits your growth. You walk into every room with a quiet confidence that others can sense immediately. At the negotiation table, you're the one with the power because you don't need the deal. You can walk away from bad deals with a smile, knowing your foundation is solid. Saving the first $1,000 is the hardest part. It feels like heavy lifting. But as you reach this milestone, you start seeing yourself as the CEO of your own life. You stop dieting on savings and start developing a permanent identity as a wealth builder. Consistency becomes your superpower as you cut the waste and feed your assets. Every green checkmark on your calendar is a brick in your wall of financial freedom. You start spotting hidden capital by deleting useless subscriptions you don't even use. You trade immediate gratification for long-term power, looking through a telescope at your future. Saving the next $1,000 becomes easier because your habits are already automated. Your savings become a bridge that carries you safely over the canyon of stress. The system starts working on autopilot, minting progress while you focus on strategy. A surprise medical bill arrives, and for the first time, your heart rate doesn't even spike. You are effectively immune to the disasters that keep 99% of people stuck. You stop seeing money as something to spend and start seeing it as a multi-tool for freedom. Your dollars are no longer static. They are seeds that multiply into a forest of wealth. While others stress about rent, you're researching stock market trends and long-term assets. Your focus shifts from surviving the month to engineering your retirement. A person with $10,000 saved is closer to freedom than a big earner with zero reserves. The ultimate wealth skill isn't just earning, it's the executive ability to keep and grow. Don't be the person with the luxury car and the empty wallet. That's a failing business model. Welcome to the masterclass of financial mindset, where logic beats emotion every time. You finally learn to distinguish between a temporary want and a foundational need. Patience becomes your strongest asset, filling your future with golden opportunities. A $2,000 repair bill is paid instantly, and your day continues without a single worry. You navigate health challenges with the confidence of someone who is prepared for anything. You now have months of breathing room, which is the ultimate luxury in a fast world. When job hunting, you are the one interviewing the company, searching for the perfect fit. You invest in your own growth, knowing that a $2,000 course can return $20,000 in value. A golden portal of opportunity opens because you finally have the capital to enter it. You no longer take the safe path. You take the path with the best long-term trajectory. Your health literally improves as your sleep quality hits record highs. You're no longer distracted by bills. You are fully present for the moments that matter. In job interviews, your lack of desperation becomes your greatest competitive advantage. Confidence creates a feedback loop that accelerates your career and your income. The mountain of $10,000 looked impossible, but now you're standing at the summit. You started with small, consistent steps, and now you have a blazing bonfire of capital. By redirecting small, mindless expenses, you've built a fortress around your future. In just a few years of intentionality, you've changed your entire life's direction. You view every budget line through the lens of a CEO, optimizing for maximum growth. Your shadow is no longer that of a worker, but that of a leader in control. The broke identity is deleted. The wealth builder operating system is fully installed. Decision fatigue is gone. Your mental battery is fully charged for big picture thinking. At the store, you choose the best quality because you prefer it, not because you're forced to. You experience the true freedom of making choices based on desire, not desperation. The relief of a simple grocery trip becomes a powerful reminder of how far you've come. Breathing room is the fertile soil where every good financial decision grows. You have the time to shop for the best rates, optimizing your system for efficiency. You find hidden treasures in your bills, reclaiming capital that was being wasted. The compounding snowball has started rolling, and it's getting bigger every single day. Every dollar is a seed, and you are the gardener of your own financial forest. You network with confidence, and the world starts offering you bigger opportunities. A $5,000 raise isn't luck. It's the result of the confidence you built at the foundation. Security allows you to take the risks that lead to massive career breakthroughs. You're the life of the party because you're no longer carrying the weight of debt. You are stable, generous, and completely in command of your social environment. The dominoes are falling in your favor. Sleep, health, and wealth are all aligned. Your bank balance is finally growing into a number that commands respect. You keep climbing the golden staircase, one consistent, intentional step at a time. You realize the person you became during this journey is the most valuable asset you own. The decision fatigue monster has shrunk to nothing as your capital has grown. No more survival calculations. Your mental energy is now reserved for your legacy. You ignore the price tags and focus on the value, just like a real executive. You eat what you want, live where you want, and think how you want. You sit in the CEO chair of your life, looking at a map of endless possibilities. By optimizing your small bills, you've cleared the path for your massive goals. You have the mental bandwidth to start engineering your next $100,000. Version 2.0 of your life is bright, clear, and completely under your control. You negotiate from a position of strength, smiling because you know your worth. You're at the finish line of the first milestone, looking back at the 99% who gave up. Welcome to your new life of freedom. This is only the beginning. Stay smart.